Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the logo open. Make sure it's on a single editable layer and duplicate it so you keep a backup. Once done, check image mode and set RGB to ensure accurate color inversion. This matters because CMYK inverts differently. Make sure any transparency is preserved by working on the duplicated layer. Now you're ready to apply the actual inversion step that changes color values directly without harming your original asset. You'll invert using an adjustment layer to keep edits reversible. Layer New Adjustment Layer Invert. This flips every color channel, which is why an adjustment layer is preferable, because you can toggle or mask it later. Make sure to clip the invert layer to your logo so only the logo is affected. Do this by right-clicking and selecting Create Clipping Mask. If the result looks too strong, tweak the invert layer's opacity, or try a blending mode. To finish, export your inverted logo as PNG for transparency or save a layered PSD for future changes. Preserving layers keeps your invert editable. If colors look off, make sure you're using the intended color profile. Convert to sRGB for consistent web results. If parts shouldn't be inverted, add a layer mask to the invert adjustment and paint with black to hide the effect. That's also how you fix haloing or partial inversion issues. If problems persist, revert to the duplicated original and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.